Hi guys, let's learn together. It's easy. Relax. Take a breath. I'm here with you. You are not alone. We learn step by step, slowly. Listen to me. Just listen. Good. Now, watch me. I say the word. You listen. Hello. Hello. Good. Very good. Now say it with me. Hello. Nice. That was good. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. We learn by trying again and again. Guys, listen one more time. Hello, great. Now, a new word. Easy word. Thank you. Thank you. Say it slowly. Thank you. Perfect. You're doing well. Take your time. No rush. We are learning live. Together. We are learning live. Together. If you feel tired, it's okay. Just keep going. One small step. That's enough. Listen. Repeat. Good. Very good. You see? It is easy. We will continue. Step by step. Stay with me. Let's learn together. Stay with me. Subscribe to Real Smart English Podcast.